Indonesia is considered to be the world's largest geothermal reserves, with around 40% of the world's reserves located in the country, which means Indonesia has the potential to create renewable energy. There are as many as 358 geothermal sites spread across the volcanic path in Indonesia. Geothermal energy comes from the heat that arises from the Earth's subsurface, located in the rocks and fluids beneath the Earth's crust. It can also be found as far down the Earth's molten rock. Geothermal is a carbon-free, renewable, and sustainable form of energy that provides an indefinite supply of heat for electricity generators in homes and office buildings. The Indonesian Ministry of Energy and Mineral Resources has designed a geothermal development roadmap to generate geothermal energy with 7,000 megawatts by 2025. This aims to achieve an energy mix that can reduce the greenhouse gas emissions. Pertamina, as Indonesia's national energy company, strives to accomplish the government's goal. Currently, Pertamina is managing 15 geothermal operating areas with an installed capacity of 672 megawatts in each area. Besides that, Pertamina also manages geothermal fields under joint contracts with an installed capacity of 1,205 megawatts. In the future, Pertamina aims to double the geothermal capacity from 672 megawatts to 1,112 megawatts by 2026. Through extensive projects, Pertamina aims to achieve the national target of new and renewable energy to constitute 30% of the energy mix by 2050. We are enthusiastic to unleash various potentials, accelerate progress, and achieve shared goals. Join the quest, energizing sustainable future, energizing you.